TTK Prestige is one such we are focusing on today, as the company's premiumization strategy and the impact of budgetary measures on consumption is something that we explore. The management spoke with Shilpa Ranipeta, and this is what he had to say.
I think there's been a little bit of a muted demand so far, but we do see signs of recovery. And towards the last part of the year, we are seeing signs of walk-ins increasing and recovery happening. We do believe that's good for the next year.
Right. Can you give me a sense of, what's the growth or the demand that's been there for the cookware segment also? If you could just quickly run us through that, and probably what the outlook is looking like for that segment as well.
At an industry level, over a couple of years where we've been a little muted on growth, we are seeing growth coming back. I do believe that the industry is coming back to positive growth, and most of the players have now started tracking positive growth as well.
Right. Is cookers still a concern? Are you seeing some pickup there, specifically talking about cookers?
No, I think all categories, cookers, cookware and appliances, all of them are seeing good demand coming back again.
Right. Actually, appliances is what I wanted to talk to you about next, because I think a year ago you had guided for looking at increasing your market share significantly with a lot of new product development and increasing your presence in the appliance space, right? Can you sort of talk to us how things stand right now, and how is it looking like for you as we close FY25?
I think the appliances market is picking up. Amongst the three categories, we see appliances picking up much faster. We've been well entrenched in the segment, and we've been doing our own production, domestic production, less of Chinese dependence right now. The segment is poised to grow well, and there is good enough demands coming in for innovation. Right. Innovation is what is driving this segment, and I think we are well poised from a growth perspective there.
Right. The budget has been a huge boost, and we are looking at a lot more money coming into the hands of the consumers, especially the middle class. How does that augur for you in the sense of, especially for your mass categories, because that also, with a new brand, you're also looking at growing that segment as well?
Yeah, I think the budget announcements would help us from two perspectives. One, a large part of premiumization that's helping the category grow, that will get accelerated.
Okay.
And we do see that the monies that flow in hopefully would be steered towards the consumption categories, and we are one of the consumption categories.
Right.
We did see a slow demand post-COVID. During COVID, we saw a very accelerated demand. With this change, hopefully we should be getting a bump up in the demand as well.
Right. What do you see as a growth driver then for the next fiscal? What would you say?
The category very clearly seeing two growth levers. One is innovation. Consumers are wanting to make their kitchens look smarter and better. Innovation is therefore the driving growth lever there. The second one that we're seeing is in the urban markets, particularly the top cities, we are seeing premiumization happening.
Okay.
A lot of upgradation is happening, and that is one big lever that we see would help us grow faster.
Right. No, but I also meant in terms of categories for you, whether it's appliances, whether it's cookware. For you as a category, where do you see most growth coming in?
We do see appliances growing faster along with cookware. Okay. Cookers would be driven by premiumization.
Okay, interesting chat there. TTK Prestige, some parts of demand a little bit muted, but they're seeing signs of recovery. That's a little bit encouraging. For the time being, the stock is actually at the low point of the day. Well,